Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, time to get some kydex on this blade and on this blade. Whew, yeah man. If you didn't watch the last video, I'll put it up in the cards where I do the hamon on this one and the two-tone black oxide on this one. We got some stuff in store for this. This should be some fun kydex to try, but I got some ideas. Hopefully it'll work out. So do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I'll put my website up in the cards, the first down in the description, along with Amazon links. I got shirts on there, knives on there, all kinds of stuff. Alright, let's just get right to it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to have to do is cut some of this kydex so we have this even. You know, I want to make this an even straight across here, so when we pull it out of the sheath, it should come straight out. Alright, let's do that first. I was going to use my black pen that I realized it probably wouldn't show up, which I got these down on the Amazon links and stuff like that. You know, all the tools I use, that's what the Amazon links are. Don't want this thing to get all scratched up. I guess it helps if you put it on the right way. I had it like that. Why didn't it fit? Alright, tape it up. 3 layers on each side. Kick in the high speed. I wish I could high speed real life. How about that? There we go. What recurve? I got my piece back here. I'll make sure to put the playlist to all my kydex where I go real in depth on how to do kydex and all that, because I'm just going to kind of skim over everything. Of course I forgot to turn this camera on. At least I got these 2 cameras, so, but there we go. You'll hear me talking, and I'll probably even be pointing this way, but there's no camera over here to catch it. Alright, let's get the skillet out. Alright, let's get this plugged in. Make sure nothing's around it's gonna melt, especially my tools. I already cut a piece out here. This is gonna have to come out like that or something. Got my heat gloves with the hole in the finger. Try to take it up to 375, 400. I knew I was forgetting something. I always forget my clamps. I'm gonna shoot my knife on there. That wouldn't have been good, huh? Shiny side down. Now I'm just gonna wait about 10 minutes, we'll pull out and see what it looks like. I think I'm gonna do the other one off camera because it's just the same thing. All right, here we go. Let's see how this looks. Woo! Yeah! Nice! Just come down around here. Boom. I'm not worried about that. I always make this big anyway, just in case. But that should be plenty of room. In fact, I'll draw it out right now. Woo, it was close though. Something like that. Woo. So that's about it for this. I guess we're gonna go to the bandsaw and cut it and then start shaping it and drilling it and all that good stuff. Yeah, man. I gotta do the other one first, so it only seemed like a second to you. Alright, I got some bolts in this to hold it together. It's real tight, but it seems like it'll fit. I got more to take off. There we go. It goes in like one way, like up. There we go. So I'm gonna bring out this stuff to help it out. This one won't even go in. I got a lot of work to do on this one. This one should be the easier one. I'm just gonna put the flat platen on now that I got them both in. This one gets a thumb ramp too, so that should help. Oh yeah. Once we take that piece out, hey. Boom. Woo. Alright, let's put the flat platen on. Alright, now I'm just gonna shape them kinda to my lines. Buff them out, and these will be done. I think I'll have to edit this video, but I might put the sharpening in there. Wait till you see what I come up with for sharpening. It's pretty wicked. So I went and washed these out. You know, I use like laundry soap or whatever kind of soap's there to clean them out. I open them up, scrub them out and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get the eyelets in. He said he wants it on the right side, wear it on the right side, so boom. Woo! Coming down that last mile. Alright, let's get this bad boy on tape, cleaned off, make sure every little speck is off of it. That's one thing Kydex loves, to stick to everything. I noticed, if you watched that last video, I put tape on here to do the bevels to make sure the Scotch-Brite didn't hit them. But when you pull the tape off, it's like a two-tone of the tape until you put the penetrating oil back on it. It like takes a layer off, or it just, I don't know if it dries out it or it's just my imagination. But it looks different when you take the tape off, and you can definitely see where the tape was and it wasn't. But once you put penetrating oil back on it, it goes right back. So, I don't know what that is. Moment of truth. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, man. I gotta put the thumb ramp on there. Woo! There's not even too much play back and forth. Yeah, man. All that's left is to sharpen her up. I made some jigs here because I'm really nervous about sharpening. The last step, this knife came out almost perfect. I mean, better than I expected. And I'm so scared of sharpening. I got it's a 120, 1x72 on here. If you watch my Instagram, this was a mistake. I tried to put, here, let me see if I can find. I tried to make this jig thinking that, you know, the 1-inch belt would ride over it like that, but it just skips to the side. You know, I was going to clamp it on my top platen, which on Instagram I also showed how I made this top platen and took it all apart and all that stuff. But as I was trying to get this to work, this thing flipped up and it works perfect. I get a nice grind in there. So I made 3 of these to practice with, so yeah, whew. I got then it's time to step up, so let's do it. Alright, I think I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna have to just take it slow and careful. Right there seems to be the transition that's hard. So, whew, wish me luck. I'm nervous, shaking. we got a burr. Woo! Yeah, alright, let's go up. Just keep going. I can't get ahead of myself. I just have to be patient. I got a bunch of these Trizacs cut to 1 inch. If I have to, I'll cut some other belts, but I figure we'll go up to like an A30. I guess I'll figure the leather part out. The reason I'm using this reader is because it goes backwards. So the belt's pulling away from me so I can hit it up here and I don't have to worry about the blade kicking back in my face. Here's an 800 silicon carbide, and then we'll try to strap it up and see what it looks like from there. Alright, let's see what we can do on this one. Here's my leather strap. I'm not going to turn it on. I might just have to hit the edges. See what we can do. This one gives, so we can actually, hey, who knew? Alright, let's see where we need to strap it more if we're good. Looks like right there. No, I guess we're good. I think it's catching because it's hooking. This damn knife's out hooking. Yeah, it looks like we need to strap it right there. Right in here. Let's see if the knife is still hooking. Oh man, it's about to cut me in the knuckle. There we go. Yeah, woo. There we go. No more hooking. We made an honest woman out of her. Woo, yeah. I just went ahead and sharpened this one off camera. Man, I can't believe that worked. It never works for me on camera. Anytime I try to cut on camera, it messes up. Yeah, man. Woo! So, unless someone's already bought it, because I put it up on Instagram, this should be up on my website. So, go check it out. Website links down in the description, and it'll be up in the cards too. Yeah, the guy said he wants this to be a dangler, so I gotta check with him to see if he means like dangling just off the belt or like 3 inches below the belt. So, but man, I am so glad to have this done. Yeah, man. Woohoo! Anyway, make sure to comment. Let me know what's going on with your knife making. Have you had any struggles, any success, anything you've overcome? Yeah, leave it down in the description and like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Like I said, my website's up in the cards and it's the first down in the description. I got knives on there, I got shirts like this on there, all that good stuff. Go check it out. So let's see, I'll put the whole playlist for this knife right here. Knife making 101's right here. Subscribe is right here. And my website's right there. Woo, what a journey. Hope y'all are having a great day. And as always, take it easy.